Hey guys and girls, well we just picked up, I'm not going to say where we picked it up from, but we just picked it up. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite a lovely little air conditioning unit. It's a single unit type. As
the ducts go out.
Yeah, it has two ducts that go out the back, so it sucks air in through one and blows air out the other. Polystyrene front covers going to put together. Quite a nice unit actually.
Still got the outdoor temperature on it.
Yeah. Oops. Making all the panels fall off. Which they all just clip on somehow. Yeah. The whole thing is meant to come to bits to clean it. No, we're not fussed about that. Excuse me. Outside temperature was 12 degrees. It's slowly warming up that.
Ah.
Oh, the batteries are all corroded.
Lovely. They're still in the brand new packaging, but they've gone all over me.
Wow, lovely.
Phones will donate to us.
Yeah, we can use a cordless phone. Snip the batteries out the cordless phones. Lovely. And it just shows how long this thing's been in storage for.
Yeah.
So look at some of those model
It
numbers.
actually has a Euro plug on it as well.
Yeah, the plug on it is European type.
Where's the phone?
Phone in the front room? Or in the kitchen. Yeah, it's one of those European jobbies. Sadly, it's not earthed. We should be alright. I'll just steal the batteries out of the cordless phone.
It's mainly plastic anyway.
That's it, yeah. There you go, I'm touching it. Oh,
Just the,
it's not earth.
just the coils.
Brand new unit. It was still in the box when we got it. The box was still sealed.
Oh yes.
It all works, does it?
Looks like it.
Covering up the LED so it doesn't let the unit come on.
Now let's just try it on fan mode. Oh. Oh my god, that's the vent. Is it?
It all comes open.
The vent's somewhere.
Oh, at the bottom.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's cool, isn't it? Oh, so it sucks air in from the top, the hot
Yeah.
air from the top,
Yeah.
and brings it out the bottom.
Yeah, that's right.
Lovely.
Fire up the compressor. I really hope this works.
Yeah.
I can't see why it shouldn't.
Go on then, fire up the compressor.
Heating mode or cooling?
Cooling.
Yeah.
It does do both, does it?
Yeah.
So it's a heat pump then?
It is, yeah.
Ho ho, what a lovely little machine.
Oh,
The fan works good.
It won't fire up cooling because it still thinks it's 16 degrees.
Oh.
Alright, let's put it on heating. It's the
Ooh.
same thing. I don't know. Probably switching something.
Take the panel off the bottom.
Yeah. That's the vent underneath if it is actually a proper pivot one.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Ah, that's the rear fan started up.
Crikey, look at him and all.
Wow, wait.
Yeah, there's some force that comes out of them, kiddies.
It lets it build up heat first, obviously.
Before it lets it come out, yeah. Oh, and that's something, guys and girls.
And do you think we should tell them how much we got this for?
Should we tell them how much we paid for this unit?
And it was all brand new in box.
All
when
brand
we
new
got
in
it.
box. Okay, it's installed for a number of years, but brand new in box.
You're not going to want to know this. £50.
£50, guys and girls. And how many BTUs is this unit?
I do not know.
We're not sure at the moment. Now, hang on a second.
I dare say
We've
it's
got some stuff here. Single phase, heat mode, input power 100 and sorry, I'll get this right. 1110 watts. A maximum must be on surge is 1800 watts. The heating mode will supply 280. Sorry, I'll get this right eventually, guys and girls. 2,890 watts worth of heat, and it'll cool to 2,900 watts.
We've got all the manuals and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, same. We've got all the manuals and everything. Look. I like all these little wiring diagrams we've got here.
And is it going to fire up the thing? It's not
what
fired up the front vent yet. For some reason.
Some nice wiring diagrams. Alto! This way is up.
Heat.
Oh, yeah, heat.
It was obviously building up heat for a while. I switched it over to cooling now, so it's going to try and change the cycle.
Got a good LED on it. You're covering that LED up and it's still picking it up.
There you go. It's got auto fan on it as well, which is pretty cool.
Huh.
It's going to switch over to cooling eventually. Well, it obviously works if it gives out some heat.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty cool. Hopefully we'll get a few more of these. We've got bigger ones.
Yes. Yeah, the place where we got this from has got a couple other larger ones in. And we're going to try and get hold of them.
And probably sell them on, the bigger ones.
The bigger ones, yeah.
This one is hopefully going to go in the house.
Yeah, we're going to keep this one. We're going to put it up there on that wall.
So we want to get rid of this
Up there.
dehumidifier.
Yeah, we're going to get rid of this big dehumidifier. I'm going to have this as the dehumidifier. Of course, it supports dehumidifier functions. Nice. It should all be low voltage, all these cables here. It's only driving the front panel.
Be like 5 volts control.
Yeah. Nice. I like how it says do not throw in the bin. R410A gas, it runs.
Fairly modern then.
Yeah.
There was a gas heater there as well, and I was playing with the idea of getting that.
Yeah.
Only to sell it on, of course.
Yeah, they wanted 30 quid for that, though, didn't they?
Yeah, but it was a heavy unit.
Well, yeah, it was.
Would have certainly
quite
been
heavy.
worth it to someone who needed it.
Mm.
Like a garage heater.
Yeah.
And that's how you clean out your filters. That's pretty awesome.
It's nice and simple to do, isn't it?
Isn't it? Another wiring.
Yeah, I've just got that on camera, that one.
Come on, switch over, compressor. No.
No, it won't stay up because it wants the panel to be open.
Yeah.
What a very nice little unit. Probably won't switch over to cooling because it just isn't hot enough.
Unplug it and then plug it back in.
Yeah. I don't like these plugs. I'm going to hold the camera for a second. How to the people.
Right.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Does this pick up infrared? Ah, there you go. It does. Why is it moving that down?
Oh dear, I think Mum's back. Alright guys and girls, I'm going to cut this video off here and I'll catch you all on the later on. Catch you on the next videos. Peace out.